Do you want to promote your t-shirt designs on Instagram, Facebook or Pinterest the right way? Then you need to use eye-catching mockups. In this video, I will show you how to use Placeit to create amazing image product mockups for your t-shirt business. But before we get right into the video, if you are new to the channel, then subscribe, because on this channel I like to talk all about realistic ways to make money online and really showing you my journey along the way to create a side hustle. And I want to help you basically achieve the same levels of success that I'm achieving. So if you want to see more of that and you want to improve your online income, then you are in the right place. With Placeit Mockup Generator, you get access to thousands of professional mockup templates that you can easily use to promote your designs. Because when you need to grow your t-shirt business, you need to get traffic to your store. Yes, you can rely on traffic from Google, or you can use some print-on-demand platforms such as Redbubble that are using paid advertisements to promote your designs. Or you can get traffic from social media. But on places like Pinterest or Instagram, you need to use professional-looking mockups to grab people's attention. I'm using Placeit daily and I'm loving it. It saves me tons of time, and time is my precious commodity. Placeit is an online tool that helps you find the exact type of mockups you are looking for. Then you just upload your design in seconds and have a fantastic looking mockup that you can then download and put onto social media platforms. Let's go to placeit.net, a place where you can create a mockup for your business. You can use Placeit Mockup Generator in a few different ways. Either you will create your mockup and download it for a fee, or you can subscribe for a simple Placeit plan for only around $15 per month, and you can use unlimited mockups and much more. Because Placeit is an online platform where you can create t-shirt designs, logos or videos. Placeit is my favorite tool for creating mockups. They have more mockup templates than any other site I found online, and they are adding more mockups to their library almost every week. Let's create your first mockup. Go ahead and click the link into the video description below to access the Placeit Mockup Generator. When you are on the Placeit website, go to the menu on top and hover over the Mockups tab to view all the options. As you can see on Placeit, you can create mockups for different types of products and accessories. Let's create a t-shirt mockup. Click on the t-shirt option and you will be taken into a new page where you can browse and choose from a huge library of t-shirt mockups. If you want to promote your design to a specific audience, you should sort the templates by using the left sidebar, where you will see different categories such as gender, age, ethnicity and more. Let's browse the page and find a mockup image which is ideal for your design. From my experience, it is better to use an image with someone who is modeling the t-shirt with your design on it. It gives your design a more social proofing look. When you hover over any mockup, you should see an example of how a design will look on the person. So, for my design, I choose this mockup. Once you select it, Placeit will open a mockup editor when you can add the design to the t-shirt and select its color. If you want to add your design into the mockup, sometimes you need to upload your image in a specific dimension. For this image, I need to upload my design in 750 by 1200 pixels. While there are tons of free tools that will help you resize any image, I like to use a tool called Reduce Images. It is free and super easy to use. Just drop your image here, choose the new size and format, and download it. Once you resize your design, go back into Placeit Editor and upload your design by clicking on the Insert Image button. You will then see a pop-up window where you can adjust the size and location of your design. Once you are finished, click on the crop button. Now, your design should be added to the mockup. In this editor, it is super easy to change the color of the shirt. Go ahead and click the drop-down menu on the right-hand side and select the color of your shirt. It is important to select a color that is available as a color in your shop and is also highlighting the design itself. Once you are satisfied with the look of the mockup, go ahead and click the download button. Wait until the software finishes the processing and then download the file. Let's open the mockup we created and see how it really looks. For me, it looks great. And with such eye-catching images, people are more likely to click on it and go to my shop. I always highly recommend using product mockups to promote design because it works better than showing people only the design. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the NechEmpire YouTube channel.